Okay, so that's the step there, multi-provider. Goal of this step is run multi-provider. In this step, in addition to provide test provider text, let's provide is authenticated state. To provide multiple value, we need to use multi-provider. This is a reference. So let's get started. First, we want to provide multiple values. So copy this multi-provider and open main.dot and please find provider code. Okay, so instead of return provider, we want to return multi-provider. Oops. And semicolon. And provider, multi-provider can take providers. So do like this and go back to document. We will provide two provider. So paste this. Okay. So like provider, multi-provider can take child. So child and material app. Okay, so this is just okay, everything okay. So delete provider code. Okay, so this is okay. So go back to document and let's go next. Consume is authenticated param by using provider.auth. So first edit homepage. So let's copy this line first. So open homepage.dot and inside the build method, please paste this line. So and fix import issue. What we are doing in this line is instead of using passed down is authenticated value, we will use provided value from provider. Okay, so let's fix the error. This became just is authenticated. And home drawer, we don't need to pass down props. Okay, so one more thing in main.dot, we don't need to pass down is authenticated to homepage. Because instead of using pass down props, inside homepage.dot, we will use provided is authenticated value. So let's go next. Okay, we did this. And next, edit home drawer. So first, copy this line. And home drawer.dart. And inside build method and paste this. And also we don't need this code. Check the code. Says no error, so this is okay. Go back document. We already did this part delete pass props in homepage.dart. So let's test this. So first open emulator and it looks working well. So before login and home drawer content is login and register. So let's log in. And enter password. Okay, login successfully and return to home page, but the content doesn't change. So both home drawer content doesn't change. So first open editor and Ctrl-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P. Open .dev2. Open dev2. Open dev2. So this problem is because you see multiple provider string, provider bool, the value remain false. So this is a problem. Even if you successfully log in by using Firebase Auth, we need to update this provider value. In the next step, let's solve this problem.